I'm Phil from Scorptech, and we're here to talk to you today about the XFX Magnetic Air range of graphics cards. These graphics cards are very unique. They are available in a black and a white colorway. The thing that makes these cards interesting are the magnetic fan. XFX describes their fan technology as magnetic air fan, magnet fan, magnetic air, magnet fan, magnet fan, GPU fan shroud. For those of you who like magnets, magnetic. By making magnet fan, it's unparalleled. 70 years ago, it would have been impossible to imagine a reality where both magnets and fan. Magnet tower. Oh my Lord, there's no chance it's gonna work with that.